Across the river of time, the journey of human progress unfolds like a magnificent epic. While agriculture stands as the eternal cornerstone, the Q100 agricultural drone of United Aircraft, through innovation and courage, ushers in a new era of farming revolution. Versatile payloads, multi-role capabilities, empowering operations in spraying, spreading, transportation, aerial survey, 4 major fields. 7 Series high-strength aluminum alloy airframe offers fatigue resistance and enhanced durability. Tough in any weather, simple to maintain. The 13828 power motor offers enhanced thrust capacity. Adaptive flight altitude makes autonomous operations over lakes, mountains, plains, and other complex terrains possible. The 2nd-gen flight control and avionics system, equipped with 6 TOPS computing power and built-in RTK integrated navigation system, makes every task smarter and more intuitive. Omnidirectional sensing ensures safer flight. Flight aerial survey, automatic obstacle avoidance during missions, intelligent return route planning, smart flight resumption from breakpoints, no spray zone marking, adapting to multiple scenarios, supports land block splicing and splitting. Q100 next-gen spray system has durable and worry-free operation, tailored for high-frequency spraying of specialty crops and high-volume spraying needs. Operation with a full 55-kilogram payload with up to 20 liters per minute flow rate. Needs only single-operator control. Covers 400 mph per hour with pinpoint precision, cutting input waste to the minimum. Upgradable 4-nozzle synchronized spraying, 12-meter spraying swath for full coverage. The upgraded Q100 spreading system, with max 65-kilogram payload capacity and high-efficiency spreading up to 70 kilograms per minute, achieves precision spreading for fertilizers, baits, and other granular materials. Supports large payload, high-intensity, all-weather operation. High-definition imaging, wide field of view, enables seamless day-night operations. FPV camera survey supports dual-band wireless video transmission, up to 4-kilometer transmission range, real-time crop insights, always in view. Upgraded power system with high-capacity smart battery offers extended endurance and powerful performance and enhanced operational efficiency. It features next-generation battery management technology with up to 1 year of low-power storage, ultra-high cycle battery life, top-speed flash charging technology, 9-minute fully charged. Plus, 10,000 watts multifunctional high-efficiency charging station makes all-day continuous operation achievable. Intelligent ecology technology empowers agriculture. The Q100 agricultural drone becomes controllable via Intelligent Airspace Command and Control System of United Aircraft, aerial survey and mapping, route planning, flight operations, data uploading, all on one screen, enabling real-time mission coordination within airspace. Q100 agricultural drone in tandem with Q20 Lei-Ying and T1400 drone make a bold debut as a powerful trio of agricultural drones, pioneering a new era of smart farming.